Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Vanguard crashing issues using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest driver refresh. Open your graphics card software, NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Click on the Drivers tab and perform a check for the latest software releases. If an update is available, this technical action clears out registry conflicts, ensuring your latest GPU overhead is dedicated to Vanguard stability. Next, initialize the latest integrity verification. Open your game launcher, battle.net, or Steam. Find Call of Duty Vanguard in your library. Just for example, I'm using this game. Click the gear icon, Settings, and select Scan and Repair for battle.net or verify integrity of game files in Steam. Running this repair protocol technicality re-downloads damaged shaders or assets, ensuring your professional setup is synchronized with the latest Vanguard version. Next, technicality optimize advanced system settings. Open Windows View Advanced System Settings and navigate to Performance, Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory. The point here is to set your page file to a fixed size based on your total RAM. Then, navigate to Power Options in Control Panel and set your plan to high performance. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise latest system management. It technicality prevents your professional rig from throttling under the extreme load of the latest Vanguard map iterations. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.